going on, guys? King Customers back here. Welcome back. Yes, I am in the middle of grinding, and we reached level 15. Go figure. I was in a little bit of a massive grinding session, and I have a little job. Now, last time, well, yeah, I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about that. Oopsies. You saw nothing last time, okay? Let's see if we cannot find anything, so let's just go back. And, yeah. We'll be right back when when I'm done grinding, and, yeah. So, we're back, and, we reached the next one, which is the first exploration. I saw the waterfall, so that's where we're going, I assume. So, we're pretty close to the silver rank. Or the second rank. Ahem, everyone listen up. I have an important announcement to make. Farther northwest and farther into the southernmost reaches, there lies a place named Tree Shrub Forest. In Tree Shrub Forest, time has permanently stopped. Huh? What did you say? You're saying that time stopped? Hey. Yes, that's correct. Oh, time's come to a standstill in Tree Shrub Forest. The wind has stopped. Clouds are motionless. Dewdrops on the leaves won't fall, they just hang there still. In Tree Shrub Forest, time itself has really stopped. Well, this has gotten kind of a little bad. So last time we saw, like, Groval grabbing a time gear, so, yeah. It's unthinkable. Yes, the unthinkable has happened. Why has time stopped in Tree Shrub Forest? Well, it's because Tree Shrub Forest time gear was stolen. Huh? The time gear was stolen? That's what made time stop, hey. I heard it was possible, but now it's really happened. I don't get it though. Why would anyone take a time gear? Quiet, everyone. Officer Magnuson has already started an investigation. Sorry to believe that anyone would dare steal time gear. But if one time gear can be stolen, the others may be in danger. The officer asked to be notified immediately if we notice any suspicious characters. So keep that in mind. Let us know if you notice anything. That is all. Alright, everyone. Well, let's get to it. And oh, you there? You two come here. There we go. The exploration. You've become quite good at your work. I'm impressed with your capture of Drowsy. It was very admirable. So, oh boy, you'll all finally be assigned a mission with the other proper exploration team. Ready? Yay. Let me see a wonder map. Let's see. The waterfall. Wish I saw it. That's where you can remind you lot to investigate the waterfall and determine what's there. Hands on. Yep. Good. Alright, I'll leave you all to really investigate the waterfall. Huh? What's wrong? You're shivering. Are you alright? Well, Chata kinda gets worried over his little apprentices sometimes, but even though he doesn't show them. Well, let's get to it. Oh, Cosmos of Volfix too? Let's try Mecha here. Oh, what's going on here? This is starting assembly. Assembly? Some immunity here. Well, this is where recruiting comes in. Yep, recruit comes in. Now we can recruit members. This is my assembly. Then choose which members should join your team for exploration. May see when you want to assemble a team that recruits. Okay. So. That sign is new. With the bell. Oh, what's going on? There are stairs here. These are some written on the sign. What? Spinless Cafe, a shop of hopes and dreams, opening soon, win big. It says. We have a good amount of stuff, which I'm pretty sure we're not gonna need some of it. I'm pretty sure there are IQ groups, so we're gonna have to I'm gonna figure out what I want to do, what I want to get in between episodes, and we'll be back with you guys later on. Secret waterfall. So this is a waterfall that's supposed to have a secret. Fire and water do not mix. It sounds like there's a storm coming in, the water flowing down the waterfall makes it look like there's it's like there's a storm outside my house right now. You fell into this waterfall. The water is literally pouring down this very badly, very hard. Again. So, when we did in episode 3. That looks like a Wigglytuff. I mean, it's closer to Clefable looking, but kind of looks like a Wigglytuff to me. Not only that, there's a hidden cave behind the waterfall, which, well, so here we go. I'm sorry if I'm pretty much quiet a few times, but I just don't want to talk in these times. Here we go. The cave. This gave me a haunted house vibes. This is giving me haunted house vibes. Yeah, that's creepy. Yeah, the music is very creepy. I'm gonna look around this floor and see if I can find any items. Crit. Yeah, that's totally not creepy at all. That's it. To this floor. We pretty much saw nothing there. Orange berries, thank you. Goddamn mud sports. Oh. Crit, uh-oh. Extra water gun hurts. That's totally not creepy at all, the music. Oh god. Yeesh, that's creepy. Oh, nothing there. Alright. Yep, we went around in circles. Same thing like this. There's pretty much no items here. Marboch. Does it only know these two moves? And the Barboach, Whooper. Alright, much shot. Uh-oh. Yeah, these hurt. Crit and is super effective. Maybe using like force palm or bite instead of freaking faint. Because it cannot hit that hard. Or taking too much hits. Just by sitting there. Oh, let's end this thing. Let's finish this thing quick then. That's something new. Twist band. Maintains attack and special attack. Okay. I don't know what I could use that, but War Sport, Morgan. Bite. These war guns hit hard. Oh. Level 11. Water absorb. Yep, water absorb. Damp will be good. Explosion on the dungeon floor. That could be amazing. When if there are explosive traps. Water absorb. So good then. They just keep using war gun on themselves. What's more? Ow. Okay, that's too dangerous. God, they only know freaking... Bruh. Give me a bit, we'll be right back when we kill this goddamn Whooper. This thing keeps healing the Whooper. My Whooper keeps healing that Whooper. Screw that, we're done. I thought it was gonna take a little more longer, but nope. Yeah, you're out of here. Oh my god, that cost too much shenanigans. Nothing here. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. You know, mostly her. That was kind of fast. I've only been recording for like 15 minutes and now already done this thing. Let's check it. Oh. It would be amazing if we take this back. Oh no. Well. Again. What now? They just push it. Oh. That is bad. Just happened to push the gem. Uh-oh. Yep. Here comes the flood. Oh my god. Is that a local hot spring or something? What? Where are we? Hi, are you okay? You plopped down from nowhere. Oh, you startled everyone. Where are we? This is the hot spring. Local hot spring. Indeed, this is the hot spring. The hot spring works wonders on tire muscles and creaky joints. Many Pokemon visit here. Tell me, youngster, have you a map? Unfold it for me. There's like an elder of a village talking here. We're here. This is the hot springs location. We got carried all the way here. Where was the location? My goodness, it was the water that carried you all this way? What a long journey that must have been. Let the hot spring wash away your fatigue before you make your way home. Oh, that was something. Yes, I'd like to say my adventure. I don't want to mess up my recording to literally record these entire thing again. Let me see if I got this all straight. Behind the waterfall, there is a cave. In the deepest part of the cave, there was a gigantic gem. When you pushed on the gem, it triggered a trap of some kind. Surprisingly, you were flushed out to a distant hot spring. Is that the gist of your report? No, emphatically no. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but it is a major discovery. Really? Undoubtedly. After all, the president of the cave behind the waterfall. You never knew about that before now. Yeah, that kind of looks like a Wigglytuff, to be honest. That shadow figure. Is that the little budge right on the head? Like, yeah, that revealed it. That was Wigglytuff. Well, the Waterfall discovery is just amazing. Guildmaster must be told. No, emphatically no. That's inconceivable. And I was such a Guildmaster would have already investigated the place, right? However, since you insist, I'll confirm with the Guildmaster. Why do they want to spoil their own discovery? How strange. I should be used to it by now. These apprentices are yet another strange crew, aren't they? Was that Chatot? Yeah. The change. The manner change. What? Oh, nothing at all. Anyway, I'll go confirm what you told me with the Guildmaster. Please wait here. For the next special episodes, I'm gonna have to like prepare myself first, cause from what I've seen, these special episodes are kind of hard. But we can still use our own storage to help ourselves. So how did it go? I asked the Guildmaster. He mulled it over for a bit, and then he said, "Oh my God, why does he have a goofy theme? Like so dumb." Oh, memories, sweet memories, Yumta. Then he danced around a bit, and then he said, yes, if I think hard, maybe I did go there once. That's just what the Guildmaster said. To sum it up, it's just as Cost was suspected. He has indeed already been to Waterfall Cave. So forgettable, Guildmaster. The Guildmaster can be rather erratic at times. Even I can fathom what goes on in his head. Perfect apples, probably. Well, that's too bad for you. Nevertheless, I shall expect your best effort tomorrow. There may be perfect apples going on inside his head, like only perfect apples. Nevertheless, that was a good one. Oh. Now we're done already, but yeah. Freaking really tough. Pretty good times. Oh my goodness, that took a little. Sorry about that, I was yawning a little bit right there. I touched acid, bro, when given that apple. And I accidentally touched drowsy. That's the second one. And I touched the water here. And the gem. Yep. This also is not a Pokemon move. Oh. Hey, you two. Guildmaster wants to see you right away. What is this all about? Guildmaster, I brought you Team Cosmic. Guildmaster? Guildmaster? Hiya. Guildmaster always has a dumb theme, and this is incredibly perfect for the comedy. And she went through a lot today. Yes, a lot. But don't worry, I'm keeping watch on her activities. Should know why I called you here. We're planning to mount a full expedition soon. Expedition? Yes, the guild will go explore someplace far away. It's much harder than exploring our nearby area. That's why we need to prepare for the big trip properly. We currently choose which guild members go on the expedition. Really? Usually we'll never ever consider the rookies to be expedition members. These are working so very hard. That's why we're making a special expedition this time. We decided to include you in the list of candidates for the expedition. Oh, we're already going, pretty much going on an expedition already, which we're literally what, five episodes in for the main series. Now you haven't been chosen as expedition members yet. There is still time before we set out on the expedition. If you fail to do good work before then, you cannot expect to be selected for the expedition. I'm sure you two can do it. Try hard. we're just rookies and we're already going on an expedition, which is pretty amazing. Oh. Should we do 2 in a row, or... You know what? We'll just stop it right here. So I'm gonna end this video here, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to hit the like button. I'm pretty sure this is just a very short video at this point, so sorry guys, but yeah. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.